Hello, here's what I eat in a whole day as a healthy plant-based vegan, one who is eating purple foods at every meal for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. So the first purple food meal I'm going to be indulging in is going to include a sweet potato, a Japanese sweet potato, and some other things. So why a Japanese sweet potato? So they are high in complex carbs and dietary fiber. They provide a good source of energy. And they're also a great source of vitamins, minerals, potassium, iron, and copper. Actually, it's been said that Japanese sweet potatoes can even help perhaps banish depression. How cool is that? They also help to improve your vision and your glucose levels. So why am I eating purple foods? So purple foods, they provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Purple fruits and veggies are high in anthocyanins. If you've seen any of my videos before, especially the one talking about foods for eczema, you'll know that I like to talk about anthocyanins because they are so powerful. And basically, these are the things that make the blue and purple foods blue and purple. So they have disease-fighting abilities. They protect your body against inflammation. They protect against heart disease, all sorts of things. They can also enhance calmness and boost your mood. And here is my second purple food meal. This is just a straight up purple sweet potato. Organic, by the way. No surprise here, I'm eating broccoli. So yeah, purple potatoes actually help fight disease. There's one study that was published in the Journal of Nutrition where there were men who ate purple potatoes. And in a period of 6 weeks, they had less inflammation and higher levels of disease-preventing antioxidants. Here's my Relari metabolism melt that I've been taking actually every day for the last 2 weeks. If you want to try these out, they're great for gut health and help to combat stress. And along with other things, you can check my description below. I'll have you a discount code for those. So for my third meal, I'm eating some, I just call them purple noodles, but they're made by Lotus Foods. They're really, really good. They're actually made with black rice flour. Again, another food that has tons of anthocyanins. So black rice can give you a worthwhile boost on your heart health and overall fitness, along with the protective anthocyanins that the black rice has. They can also help to support your eye health. So black rice, for whatever reason, the noodles turn purple. I don't know. I think it's really cool. But these are really easy to make. Again, they're made by Lotus Foods, and it's kind of like making ramen, except this is healthy ramen. It's not made with crap. It's all whole foods, like whole food ingredients, should I say. So yeah, you literally just boil them for 5 minutes, and then I like to add veggies and a little bit of low sodium soy sauce if I don't have coconut aminos or Bragg's liquid aminos. Again, more broccoli, like, does that surprise you? And so here is my dish. Look at all the beautiful colors. I'm eating two of the most powerful colors, the greens, the dark greens, as well as the purple, but something's missing. Yep. There it is. I had to top it off with my favorite blue agave sriracha. It's my favorite sauce that I use all the time. I also have a discount code for this, so you can save like $10 on whatever you order from their website. I'll link that below as well. And here's me ending the night with my purple noodle dish. They're so good. If you enjoyed this video, if you like to see what I eat in a whole day and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps out with my channel. And also, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the other videos I've got coming. I upload every Friday and Monday and all sorts of little videos in between. And so, yeah, would love to see you back here. Hope you have a great day. And again, don't forget to subscribe.